It's my feel-good breakfast show.
The rapid rise of technology, not only are things like our mobile phones getting smarter, but so are our vehicles. And now through a new technology called Telematics, insurers are using the breakthrough tech to help protect our vehicles and in turn broaden and strengthen our insurance options. We like the sound of that. Here to break it down for us is Norwandle Mbalo, the Managing Director for Standard Insurance Limited. Welcome back. Always good to connect with you. And especially in this case, to learn about something that I have to admit I know very little about. I've heard the buzzword, I've heard telematics, but I'm not entirely sure what it is, how it works. So maybe you can explain what telematics is and how does it apply in the insurance game?
Graham, put simply, I think it is a buzz that has actually been introduced in our industry. But it's actually a very helpful tool. One, the benefits to the customer is that we're in a position to actually customize our pricing to your driving behavior, your individual behavior.
Wow.
So telematics actually twofold, enable us to actually give benefit back to the customer from a point of pricing them and customizing that price to your individual driving behavior. Obviously taking into account other aspects of your driving, your claims history and all of that. And I think it's actually been very important because insurance is often perceived to be a grudge purchase.
Until you need it.
Until you need it.
Until you need it.
The view is that we rate you on the basis of your years, where you stay, how long you've been driving. But now actually here's a benefit. Telematics is to actually give access to the customer to actually be able to afford insurance, but also to give you the benefit in terms of your driving behavior, so rewards that are associated with that.
So in essence, it tracks your driving behavior and allows then your insurer to be able to grade you on that. Can I get a discount on my premium if I'm using an app?
Yep, a lot of insurers have actually used that primarily for that purpose. One, contrary to the notion that telematics is the one way for the insurers to actually to be in your business day to day. We're using that.
It's not about that.
It's not about that. We're not spying on you. We're simply actually using telematics to ensure that we give you the right price. Upfront, some of the insurers have used the driving behaviors to actually give you discount immediately after you sign in, and others have actually used that on an ongoing basis to help you reduce on a month-to-month basis, depending on how you drive today.
I was going to ask, because that would be a bit of a grey area. So how long does my discount last? Or is it something that's updated?
Well, with different insurers, what you see in the market currently, you've got insurers where you take your driving test upfront using the Telematics app for a certain period, and the discount is actually immediately effected for the duration of the term of your policy, which is actually 12 months. With other insurers, the discounts is actually activated on a monthly basis. So they look at your driving score on month to month, and your premium is actually reduced on a month to month. And you see variations in terms of the discounts afforded from 10% to 30%.
And I think if you know you're going to be saving money, it might make you a better driver.
Oh, certainly. I think it's important, and I think from a consumer, to say you want to mitigate the risk of actually paying higher premiums, but you also want the benefit. What's in it for the customer? And this is one way in which insurers have actually used that innovation to benefit the customer. You get something immediately.
And the knock-on effect, you might be able to avoid a future accident because you're a better driver. Absolutely love that. Thank you so much. Well, demystified, I now understand a little bit better telematics and how it can benefit me as the end user. Use technology to your advantage. Protect what matters most to you with the right kind of car insurance. It's all about asking the right questions, getting the right quote. And for a personalized quote that matches your needs and your budget, you can start simply by SMSing INSURE to 30788. And as a nice little bonus, when you SMS in and you get that quote, you also stand a chance of winning a state-of-the-art Samsung Galaxy S10. Very nice. Don't forget to insure it, though. Remember that standard SMS rates do apply and no free SMSs, but you can find all the terms and conditions on expressoshow.com.
Get an insurance quote and stand a chance to win one of 6 Samsung S10 smartphones. Simply SMS the keyword INSURE to 30788 for a callback and a quote, and you could be a winner.